Very easy to use it. You need to just fill your sanitizer with some water in it, and after charging this you need to charge it for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that you can start using it. Now you can see how it is working. I think you can see the vapors and all. In this way you can sanitize your phones or works or anything. You can sanitize. This is just for rupees 350. Very useful. This is a sanitizing machine. You can see you can sanitize your phones, watches, money, everything with it. This is just for rupees 350. These are the sanitizing sprays which are very hot selling products in my store right now, apart from jewelry. So this is the box you will get, and you have the instructions over here, and this is the product. Okay, you will get it with a USB charger. You need to connect it, and you need to charge it for the first 1 hour before you use it. Okay, now how to use this. Okay, this is just an openable thing. Open it. I have this Lifebuoy sanitizer. Just squeeze uh, like a little amount of it, not whole of it. If you see, I have added this much in it, and now I'm gonna add some liquid to it because I need to dilute it, because it should get into a liquid format. Now close this. It is very easy. Close it and lock it now. Shake it well. This is how you need to shake it. You need to make the hand sanitizer and the water to get diluted together. I think you can see it's working now. If still it is not working for you, there is leftover space over here, so remove it. Add some more water to it so it gets more diluted to it. Add little amount of it, and now lock it correctly. You'll get a slight sound that it has been locked, and that's it. Shake it well again. Okay, now you see it is almost diluted, and now I don't think so you can see it, but still I can feel it. You'll get the vapors. Okay, now if you go outside, how does it uses for you? You can sanitize it. You can sanitize your money, wallets, anything. This is how it works. Clear for you. I'm gonna show you this sprays. Okay, I think now you can feel the sound and the sprays. This is the way you can spray it, because you cannot put a sanitizer directly on your phone. This is the way you can sanitize your phone, money, anything. You can see the vapors, I guess. These are very fast vapors. If you want, I'll show you. There's nothing over here, but still after putting it for 1 or 2 seconds, you'll find the water. So you can spray it in this way. This is very, very, very useful. To be very very cautious. Take these precautions when you go out and you go for work also. This is how the spray works. These are the vapors, and we have somewhere around 20 products now, I guess so. If you want them, order soon. Products are very limited. I only got these 20 pieces. Apart from this, I'm not getting any other stock. So if you want them, order soon. Thank you.